Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home, at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface. Working non-stop for up to 2 hours, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experiences of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 980's cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 980 from just about anywhere at any time. In short, the Roomba 980 takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. For beautifully vacuumed floors every day, throughout your home, the Roomba 980, the power to change the way you clean.
With our new Neato D7, Kat and I get along much better because we don't have to worry about who's going to get in trouble.
I still get to be me and express myself without having to deal with the consequences that come with that.
With Neato D7, they use their voice to schedule cleanings. So they come back to a freshly vacuumed home, and it's nothing but love, man.
It's crazy how this one thing completely eliminated all that dog fur.
And if there's an area that's off limits, it's easy to teach the D7 where not to go.
Neato uses lasers to map and navigate multiple rooms, then tells you exactly where it's cleaned.
So whenever I feel like chewing shoes, tearing up the paper towels, or yakking up the cat litter...
Dude, you eat my cat litter?
We both consider ourselves fairly domesticated, but there are just some instincts we won't ever be able to shake.
quietly but thoroughly at work with LG HOM-BOT Square. Our square design has side brushes that are 1.5 centimeters longer for better corner cleaning. With corner detecting and wall following system, HOM-BOT Square cleverly detects the corner and smoothly follows along the wall with minimal bumping. HOM-BOT cleans corners 89% better than other conventional round robot vacuum cleaners. When HOM-BOT moves onto a carpet, it cleverly detects the change in surface and automatically switches to Smart Turbo mode. Many digital sensors, including front ultrasonic sensors, act as digital bumper, preventing HOM-BOT Square from bumping into objects or rolling down the stairs. Dual Eye 2.0, LG's unique two-camera sensor system, creates a map of the ceiling and floor for smarter navigation and cleaning. Dual Eye 2.0's upgraded upper camera allows for smarter cleaning even in differently lit environments. 4 full auto and 1 manual cleaning modes enable most efficient cleaning according to circumstances. With its learning function, HOM-BOT Square memorizes the location of the obstacles and cliffs of your room, minimizing bumping. Easy Out Dustbin enables easy emptying just by pulling up and prevents the dust from flying when removing. Very quiet HOM-BOT Square won't bother your everyday life. You can download new software from internet and upgrade your own HOM-BOT Square.